Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Pisces. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, Pisces. And today we are specially picking one card from for your moon energy, Pisces. So you can watch till that will follow this general guidance, guys. So let's see, we have Magician, Queen of Water, and Three of Earth. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are feeling really confident, happy the way things are going. So, you have your heart overwhelmed with inspiration, seeing things going as it should, and you are someone really skilled and talented, and you're using all your skills and talents today in your work or in your personal life. So you're trying to do things in a very good way, guys, and maybe you feel you are in that happy mode or high spirited in your circumstances. So your circumstance, maybe though you see some challenges, something some kind of obstacles may be there, but whatever it is, you are feeling extremely confident, and the reason for that is you have trust in yourself, and you are someone who has healed from the past, maybe in your career, whatever failures that you have faced, that has given you a lot of experience and learning. The same way in this relationship, whatever was not working for you or whatever did not work for you, you have learnt your lesson, and you have healed yourself, and you have assimilated the lessons from those experiences, and you are moving forward with that positive outlook on life. And you have friends helping you today, guys, family members giving you suggestions. Maybe they are really friendly with you and they are quite generous. Maybe some of them are going out of the way helping you in some circumstance today. So in your work situation or in your personal life, these people are there supporting you and guiding you. So for your relationship, we picked one card, and it is Three of Water. So again, it means that you are celebrating this relationship. So you both have that beautiful understanding, love, mutual respect and caring, and that is the reason this relationship is growing in a very positive way. And you both have a deep friendship, guys, and they consider you as their best friend, and that may be the reason they are able to confide everything to you, and there are no more secrets between you both, and you both have a very deep soul connection, Pisces. So we see that this may be a destined relationship. Maybe you would have felt really familiar with this person even at the first time when you met them. So there is joy and excitement flowing in this relationship, and things are going in a very positive way in this connection, guys, Pisces. So for your career situation, we have Page of Air. So with this card, guys, it just means that you may have your own ideas, and the people you work with, they may have their own ideas, but today you need to be really focused on the results. So It is not whether your ideas are going to work or the people you work with, their ideas are going to work. It just means that you must set your eyes on the result and work together, collaborate together in a positive way. And you're going to find your circumstances truly interesting if you have that curiosity to learn from these circumstances. So, whatever obstacles you are facing today, if you handle it with a different perspective, you are going to taste success for sure, Pisces. So, for your moon energies, Pisces, we have blue moon. This is a very auspicious card, guys. It just means that there is something unbelievable coming your way, and you are going to be really happy because it is going to be a lucky chance. You are seeing this opportunity in your day to day, maybe opportunity of your lifetime, maybe something coming maybe in your career or maybe in this relationship, and you are simply going to be happy for the way things are going to unfold. So you should be grateful for this card. It just means that you are moving towards your dreams and goals. So whatever you have dreamt for yourself, you are going to see yourself moving towards that. And this card is a positive sign that whatever you were wishing for will come true, guys, will manifest. So that is the reading for you all today, Pisces. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, please watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So we will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card for those who chose this first card. It says Rose Elf Revelations. So when this card comes to you in a reading, guys, it just means that you are having something in your mind, something is something you have not revealed. Maybe all that sadness and grief you have been holding on, that has been burdening you. So this is the time you are going to be free of all those burdens. So some kind of unkindness towards you, bullying maybe, or injustice done to you is coming into light, and people around you may know the truth, the reason for your sadness or the way you were, guys. And you need to trust your instincts today and see for signs. Maybe you may be seeing signs in your circumstances, maybe something happening naturally, the way the birds are singing, or some signs in nature that you see around yourself. You must be aware of that, because that is going to give you or take you towards truth or clarity today. So your instincts are here to help you, guys. You need to trust that. And whatever injustice is being done to you is going to come into light. So there is a person who has been treating you in a bad way, and you were suppressing it, but whatever it is, truth comes into light someday, guys. You can never hide the truth, whatever it may be. And maybe you are someone experiencing this injustice, or maybe there is someone in your circumstances who is experiencing this injustice, and you can bring hope to that person who has lost it. You can make them feel peaceful again, help them with your kind words and with your uh, kind heart, and whatever evil has been done to you will be recognized, and that person who has wronged you will be revealed, and justice is coming out, justice is happening, unfolding in your circumstances. So you can never hide truth for a very long time, guys. So you need to understand that. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. So for those who chose this second card, this card, we will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this second card, loyal heart. So this card just means that in your relationship today with your person you love, you both are having a beautiful understanding, mutual love, respect and caring is there. You are devoted to each other and you are loyal to each other, and this may be the time for heartfelt commitments and trust, and you need to understand that having that trust, mutual love and trust for each other, you can see that this relationship is divinely protected and divinely directed. So just like you trust this person, they trust you, and just like this person trusts you, are you loyal to them in return? Are you reciprocating their trust? So you need to question yourself on that, guys, and this is the time for you to be really truthful, honest with what you truly feel, and make this person understand what you truly feel. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So with this card, it just looks like you are in that deep connection with this person, and you both love each other, and you both have a great future together. That is what this card is about, and maybe this may be a twin flame soulmate connection you have with this person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.